What's up, beauty babes, and welcome back to my channel. You guys, today is the day. The poll is over. Drum roll, please. Purple and Coral won. Woo! It was kind of a nail biter, not gonna lie. Like, blue and coral and purple and coral started pushing up, and then they tied for like a good straight couple days, and then all of a sudden purple and coral just beat them just barely by 2 votes. So purple and coral it is. In tribute to the winner of the hair color poll, I will be doing a purple and coral eye look for you guys today. So let's get started. So next I'm going to take a mixture of Velvet from the Metal Matte collection and then Worship from the Saint and Sinner palette to kind of get a deeper purple color. I'm going to take the color Nirvana, which is this peachy color right here, and I'm going to start packing that onto like the inner corner lid space. I'm going to take the color South Beach and I'm going to start making that a little bit more brighter and corally, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to go back into that purple Worship color and I'm going to deepen the outer corner. And then I'm going to take Nirvana again and I'm going to buff that underneath on the inner corner of the bottom lash line. Uh-oh. Ruh-roh. Oh, what the hell? Where did those go? I thought I put them down here. Did I put them back in here? Uh-oh, we're missing lashes. We have missing lashes. And I lost them and I don't know what happened, and I just hope my dog didn't eat it thinking it was a spider. With fucking lashes. Because I keep losing them. Aurora, you're not being any help right now. You're supposed to help me find my lashes, and you are not helping me. I feel like this look needs some more elaborate lashes, so I'm gonna try my best to put on some more mascara and see if I can make them look glamorous. Very doubtful. But unfortunately, we are gonna have to go without lashes today. Alright, beauty babes, so this is the final look, the purple and coral eye look I am in love with. I just wish I knew where my lashes were to kind of finish this look off a lot more and make it look more glam. But I am in love with this eye look and I probably will recreate this again. So, but I lost my lashes. So yes, purple and coral did win the hair color poll, and once I have gathered up all the supplies and ordered them, and once they're in, I will let you guys know when that video is going to go up, and I will video the best I possibly can on how I will bleach and lighten my hair beforehand, as well as applying the color. So if you guys like this video, make sure to please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post a new video every Monday, and also follow me on my other social media networks like Instagram and Twitter. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.